Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, March 31st, 2023. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So we're going to start off with our disclaimer, which basically says everything that we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you personally like any of these candidates, and I personally really like two of them, if you like any of these candidates, I suggest that you make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, and if you like what you see, make sure you follow along, not only here on YouTube, ring that bell, subscribe, get all the notifications of every training we put out, which is pretty much every day of the week. But also check out some of the other social platforms we have, and take a look at tradinglikeaboss.com, where we've got all of our free resources listed up there, including all the free trainings we do. Go check that out today, because we've got Trading Coaches Playbook today with Brandon Wendell, who's a CMT, an amazing analyst, chartist. Brandon, CMT is the equivalent of a PhD of technical analysis. So go pick the man's brain, and I will see you there at that point. All right, let's jump in. So if we look at economic reports today, we've got the PCE, all right, which is the Fed's #1 inflation measurement tool. That comes out today at 8:30. PMI comes out at 9:45, and then consumer sentiment revision and Waller are both at 10 o'clock, which is Fed member, actually. Speaking there. So I don't expect too much from it, but you never know. So if you're in a trade, be cautious at those points. All right. From there, we'll go to the futures. The S&P is up 8. The Dow is up 84. NASDAQ's up 50 cents. RUT's up 7. Bitcoin's flat. No movement there. 25 down. Ethereum is 13.5. It's up. Gold is up 10 cents. And crude, another 55 cents. We're back up to about $75 a barrel. So if we go ahead and look at the market, and see what was going on with the S&P, we broke yesterday. We broke above that recent swing high we had there, which was critical, right? We could actually remove that level from there now. Actually, I'll leave it in for now. I'm going to take it out over the weekend in power option plays. But we don't need that any longer, okay? So bullish bias all around. It is not true bull, but we're a day or two away from that. That would be the 21 crossing up through the 8. So overall, I like it, and with us up this morning on the S&P, about 10, I think it was, right? 8, right? We're up 8 right now. Life is looking good, all right? We've got 4 candidates today. AAP, Advanced Auto Parts, is the very first one. They got an upgrade today. Now, they had an overall bearish bias. Finding candidates, by the way, was very difficult. I was looking this morning. It was 7 o'clock, 10 to 7. I said to my wife, I have almost nothing on my list today as far as candidates. So it was a weird day. Friday, we're not really in an earnings season yet. Check out Alcoa AA. That's when earnings starts unofficially, when they announce their earnings. All right. So we were in a bearish neutral bias. We got an upgrade today, which takes us up to 120 right now. So we're in that bearish bias. I'm not real excited about this, or bearish neutral bias. I'm not real excited about this one, but we're going to put it down this way. We're going to look at a bull put spread above 117, but you would do it aggressive, because I'm not real crazy about doing a bullish trade against a bearish pattern. Netflix, they are up today on restructuring of their film section of their business. They had a nice run yesterday. They were up $6.50 on that move, and right now on Netflix, we're up another $2.77. Which puts us at 341 and a quarter ish. So 32.42. We don't need a fib in there at all. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 332 for me, or an option. Why for me? Because I trade Netflix. Netflix, NVDA, 2 of them on here, and Tesla are my 3 favorites right now as far as my regulars. I love the Rokus of the world with very low price, very high movement. Of course, I'll be checking all of those out today. All right, then we have NVIDIA. It's our next one. They got they're down today after getting a firm had reiterated their position on them. I don't know how important that was or was not as far as the move down. They're down $1.63 to 272.20. We're still above that 265 level. Right? So I am not excited about this. The news, I don't think, is going to drive it enough to make it work. So next is me. Now, I will be looking at options on this just because I look at them every day. right? And then RH is on our docket again 3 days in a row now. It's 239 up $1.37. Same thing. They came out with a firm maintained their rating on them, and they're up to 239 even. Well, 244 is our resistance level. So what is that telling me? There's no way I'm going to take this trade. This is also a next, right? Just not for me, folks. Right? So what am I looking for today? I'm looking at key stocks, key trading stocks that I look at. The Netflixes, the NVDAs, the Googles, the Amazons, and Chipotle's, Booking, and so forth, right? I'm looking at those stocks for key levels. If I can find that bounce off that key level, we fail on RH today, right? We push down, retest, and drop. I don't care if it's good news. If it pushes it down, I'll take the trade. We're at a key level. All right, that's what I'll be looking for. But realistically, you want to do that to follow the direction of the market. And right now, we're still up in pre-market on what's going on. So with that, we're wrapping up the last one for March. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.